Hello everyone, I'm Matt Whitman with Professional Plumbing. We're here today to give you a quick little tour of what we do around here and what we're all about, and meet some of the folks that make it happen. Let's take a walk. Hey Ben.
Yeah.
This is Ben in his office.
Yes.
Hopefully a familiar face to you. Down here we've got Andy the Big Hunter in his office. Behind him we've got our race boat that we sponsor every year. Here's an old picture of the original 1985 van with my father Ted and Uncle Andy there that started the business. In our main office here we've got Kate and Rachel. They're the ones that are answering the phone and dispatching the calls. Here we have Denise, our main bookkeeper, and back up on the phone.
Thank you all for visiting the home of the professionals.